Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create these stunning beauties. And the inspiration for these nails was nothing more than strawberry milk. I don't know why I thought of strawberry milk when I saw the pink nail polish I used. And I incorporated some red, and they are absolutely stunning. The shape of the nail, which I normally like coffin, but I did get these stiletto nails, and they are mid-length, so they're very beautiful, and they really capture attention. Although they're not long, they look long with the positioning of stones and just the shape itself. So you can see they're not that long. But anyway, if you'd like to learn how to make these, just keep on watching. In case you're wondering what type of nails I'm using, they're the Kiss stiletto nails, and they are medium in size. I like the shape of them, although I prefer coffin. However, I am going to be using these for this project. The next polish I'm using is a red color from Kiss. It is in Lovebird, and it is a gel strong, whatever that means. Okay guys, now to avoid this from looking like blood splatter, we are going to be adding water transfers to the design. Peel off the plastic before you dip it in the water, otherwise you will ruin the water transfer. So I'm using 16SS, 12SS, 9SS. I'm also going to be using 7SS, and these are all crystal AB. So what you guys didn't see off camera, since my camera died, I overlapped patches or the water transfers on top of one another to just kind of give it more depth. And the color combination of the pink and red looks beautiful along with the water transfers. Once you put the clear on, it blends into the polish, and you can't even really tell that it's a water transfer. And then you could do whatever embellishments you want on top, whether it be crystals or big 3D chunky gemstones. It's entirely up to you. If you use super glue or gel glue to adhere the stones, keep in mind that you may see the stones frost a little bit. Take some pure acetone, a Q-tip, dip it lightly, and then just rub the stones and then clean them with the other side, and that will go away. You want to make sure they are completely dry before you peel them off the pencil. If you use the pencil method, you're going to have a little bit of polish stick out here, and all you're going to do is scrape it off. It's very easy to do. Okay guys, so I'm going to be having a little giveaway coming up very soon, so make sure that you are subscribed and that you stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to show you just one of the giveaway prizes. It's a cat, a unicorn cat, and I thought it was so cute with the little ears. So this is just one of the prizes, so make sure that you stay tuned. So this is the finished product, and I hope that you all loved it. The combination of colors, the style of the nails. If so, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.